Okay, FM. Okay. 101.7.
Honorable Derek Esifo Bequin, MP for Upper West Achem. Honorable Memwache.
Ya me jasu mi ni akwame.
Na boko de.
O basa ya do mandaroma mvoye.
Na edie be na ekoso ewo mpesua so a akofa yene abaye nim se senkampuntu okoso ho de a contractor ye adwuma se no de MP de ya na ye bom so boa no ba ya te se bibia koye osi akwan ewo mpesua no so a emfa asem papa kura emma efa mpuntu mu edie ba asem a wo hene
Benya akwame me da wase. Me fa akwanya nso na mechia watiefo ne wo a ehwe wo other platforms na nukre say America training almost by 2 weeks. And now we say figure routes are a war upper West Achimhagna. Me as a member of parliament in India, meaning say are buying through the Middle Belt Authority and I award to all the feeder roads on contract. But contrary to information on machines, a share Jumasi or Miami Krum. I flow abam krum. Now what was happening is machine by na MPP van. APH3 announcement say MPP candidate.
Your call has been put on hold. Please wait.
Yeah, I didn't at
Meno ha me game we me be mo che. So no cho so why me cho aban na ye kwan. Nti won be da nkofo a wo sempa.
Me ba jo sa kwan no. Wo mu ye free na akɔhe na ɛyɛ contractor ben aban ana wa na akɔfa bibia ba besisuo
ɛyɛ upon document a me wono ha me metime twalefo ni e dia brɛ ma me ma wo contractor ɛyɛ adwuma no Middle Belt de ma no Middle Belt de adwuma no ma BKA Cobbin Enterprise Limited ɛna omo the award contract no ma no ma me nkyerɛ wo nipa ko a sign the contract nipa a sign contract no the Chief Executive Officer of Middle Belt and the Honorable Joe Dankwa in the signed document. It may go to a copy of the document.
Mate.
But I don't know, me, I wouldn't confirm it. Say, I buy the and I will say, more candidate, more candidate in the DC, or there of any ordinary person. I know they are infamous, meaning no crew. Now, the woman and wake up and wake up although quite we two machines in our district hall. But Kuba ko akem and no baby pay and a community never to quite ada many community on a parliamentary committee on education. I'm a member and a minister ada. Then I had a call from that community that we Jamunia dear Casabi them see that with the Sadia machine corner and Koyamao. Could you the Achim Takrasi? I would could be Achim Kudiana money I will call Achim Takrasi. And I'm a machine call in my absence, my friend, my boys, and organizing machine call Yejuma. Omu Yejuma na. And I'm saying, I was even driving back to Accra, that is 3 days ago. Say, MPP boys are Accra or MPP pickup. And the UTV and rent, you saw the pickups at the cross grade and say, oh, money in Yejuma. I didn't hear. I buy the acquire on my contract. Why am I doing that? And I'm saying, oh, sir. So I called the divisional commander.
And but I'm pensioner by the contract.
You must say na me. Na nyamat say ekos woni me frɛ because krono so ai kwan ne won dia no emma ne man na etu bum me kura na de ne ade ba be fesi wo. Me frɛ na onko intervene ma me na oyi ne bi anko den ankosi. Na me nam kwan so ba. Because me ba be du ye no na MPB fo no etumi afi ho ekɔ. Many commander no invited me and the DC and even the divisional BNI officer because she in the office. I was a man can say. Now we two more say I buy the acquiring now my contract. This is me me refund no will come from government and you know a say.
And honorable
fantastic.
Honorable wo refund no de o kan se grade ankoso nko ye chu adwuma no se de be ya achimta krase kwan no e be kama no wo wi a na be ju sika free he
when there's a emergency common fund, and the
oh yeah, oh, okay.
I am go to Kumuska. It's a bra or this asam no cow. Let me see when it is. Papa. So I can rechannel my resources into doing other things again. But me papa because niawomu ya omudi fan. Obi any more district in nemu. So I don't need to coin. I don't need the MPP candidate. I don't need to coin. It is I don't know your candidate to coin there. Say me area dia ka me MPP say me mika. Inti no so what can say abind ni nyina ma contract dia. Asida na me de menya me. E de yen tokwa. So mu ka tell me and I DC people communicated to me say oh if the government the route nyina ma contractor. And can yes SMS friend so MP DC atakwate for say o mo na kem. But you created the impression, and now it's not even creating the impression to the whole populace. I'm saying, great and now, now, MPP wanted the animal. Adumu Jaguino. It is Adumu Jaguino community.
No, Chesa, can no MPP can need the animal. Great than fans.
Make it alone, Adamu Jaguino. But to say one community. Not a community be a come. Now I'm familiar. Say I don't know your candidate on your DC or your government appointee be to me Chakwaya. Me MP now the community be a come women to me Chakwaya. And it's a one family I'm a man who say hey I buy now what in our contract, which I know. I have the document, me check as any copy of my warfare or police this year. Many are something guy. Rather no, I would channel my resources into other things. Into machine number 5 into football park in the community boys me you know. And as I be me young wetma, me try know that the me check question yako and try me takwate for no me die. Kwani put me in a day no. Me try me no kase me wo kodua so me check kodua for park e dey. E dey amount to come nyame na me dey na say. That oye no NC because so share infoni no video no. Na say me atakwase mine no. Said one coin after a wetching and a wejaho. That's a one MP the yam number stop there. And canting him put it by a coin. Midden Yamiati Panse, Midian Kodatuna for Unity Day, Amber. The Kwame Yakosia Divisional Commander or Emma DC Yajat was there. Friends say, I buy the Diama contract. Into no, meaning was a middle bird scanning in Naisika. Nancy, you need to ambulance to your brain to be. Into no, Yamina Midden as a coming. So be some here. Because I'm a very waste of resources. Say, I buy them a contract over Tiani Nahoka. Namismi Kwakoyebi.
But quiet and say, who is a greater new corner MPP van dear Numune greater fans. Adumu Chakwan. Yes, we am show Papa. Hey, any man go Chakwan. Some say I have me lose one.
Me, I was the first DCE of the district. A FIDPRA, you were Rosa air registered on Fidel Roads platform. A FIDPRA, Fidel Roads, you didn't say a cabinet against Ebabicha. 4 years. And you woman, about way by about Krum Kwine, my things is so dark. It's a minnow, my phone in there, Abacha, and the Uncle Child, Minnow, and woman who grab me. My reader garage where they remove. And women who my phone in the Jumani here at the DC. Women send your Fibiani Chawaquine. And it is a full Chayan CN9. Now, if you be general candidate Naucha and women who, but I was called by my people like a Munu. That's zone why you're going now. No way that baby a flow or beam that to also be atum. No way that could be at the atum. In the course of the Basano, a Jacka they met in 17 computer by a word my own. But I can't be meeting here in the machine. The Nanka me chat across the energy. No matter chat or beam that could also be the amount. Then I made that one friend say, I bind me now my contract. In the US, in an article, woman say, they don't know more your name, who say, I don't can't be the Chakwano. Then more I doubt, say, I bind through the middle belt, which I have the documents and the HR upper west at him Aquino. You can be there in front of who can tell me say, I don't know Colombia. Who do you see you to hold me on Colombia? Not a while and you politics to make animals that don't know Colombia or wow temper. The woman say, and yet I don't as candidate in the HR Quino. A PA, our divisional commander office. Almost say I'm buying.
Okay.
At the amount contract.
Now, Mammy Musawi, and Chay Betuaba. na what debate ya ekoso infrastructure debate ekoso why DC da MC da na wo so kura member of the education committee MPP odi aban e de aba begu akwam niema ahodo a wonum aye for education free senior high school nie in fact dormitories ahodo a ekoso no ne ade o ma bebu akonta nyina wotie sa infrastructure debate no a wo so akura wo candidate flag bearer His Excellency John Dramani Mahama enso through challenge to Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo say muminye infrastructure debate what thoughts on that anything
Rock have me that say debate in the SNK me Derek Ohini Yesifu Bekwe MP Upper West Attorney Nanado.
Ow!
Because
I'm
telling you, I'm speaking on based on facts. Upa, young fan even district by district. Back on me. I said DCE for 4 years in Upper West Attorney. What do you mean conquering? Men Kotakrade. Men Kobodiasi. Me Upper West Attorney Matro. Don't Dramani Mahama Nabreso. I brought cash over 200 community-based senior high school. No, Wami. I said this in the impression of cat sort. I want Wabanya Noa. Me no say that secondary school no see wha. Me impression so is that to me come man from my group Kwaba mu kromo binim da Kwaba Breman Krodiata class Astra ko central. Obianya biko unantia na ko school. Ufa offense saying bicycle na ko school. One, it's an impression so. Check offense saying nsawoma dwagiri etu Samanka Sekwan now the media refer no kwame baka me ne friend Azonto road obi him sakwan that take afro apensem don't Dramani Mahama and the two contractors ne begu so or the general construction ebe da fa then another contractor me you see that construction shall say what there e ko wi we sikesu and another contractor from sikesu to adesu o wi na o award to excess adesu township 5.1 kilometers. Me na me share ye. No, Sandy see adesu. Eko nsawma dwagiri. Don't come. Owo ye yama adesu dia no homo bai na wo de sato so. Na kasi egusu kota. Na me bisa pai minister of parliament said abeno be sa kwan. Okaje me say obey kokoro for a year of rationalization. Na me share say about what attempted to the new district. And the government policy, look, this capital needs to be improved in terms of infrastructure at least. Into bit made the mama na me no ka say mo guni nyas wa wi papa me and my tenor as a DC enuma abai fa me so yeye che me school die o bi me da me school die e wo kwaba me school die e wo mi pom RC me school die wo Bitcoin Bethlehem me school die e wo fe den Sikon Canaan me school die e wo Shaba me school die e wo Damai papa me enuma ne den and I don't Dramani Mahama share me krom ni ko api minute po ni reche ko api mabru sata no fin sawom na ko ubedu aburi o kan na bebubu enne 2 Dramani Mahama sakwa ni that you po kan fi ka krem just about 5 kilometers na ko that also fi so and won be wo be fixe na ko me kro mu fo ni say enne fiata ayaresa samoa the biggest improvement ever had in the health sector. Yenim Lagos hospital KCSE. Yenim Bank of Ghana there. Yenim of Anchor there. Yenim friends of Military Sudan now one friends of Kumasi area horo. Just name them. America me ko dina Cape Coast. Na me ko Cape Coast Stadium nisu. Me hu ko Tokraba. Me ko Kumasi ncheyu. Me hu Kumasi kwalo. Me ko conference ho ncheyu. Me hu hospital no. So come what do you say? Now not just to accept the debate and come and meet John Dramani Mahama.
Okay, FM.
Okay. That time no. Dabi Nkuma Bresu na be di ya Bresu. E wo January no na Ghana ka 120 billion. And I won't catch you and say. Sabi one ma enim ni India na bobo sia ya ade. Na sika nyina wo ban mu ha. Yin na yanti sika wa ha. 3.5 years. No bobo sia 140 billion. Ade be no mu dia ye. Ndi ko kwa me, for the debate leader me say wo mu dia John Dramani Mahama Antonchen. Na yan for me o hini be clear Japan water ti be sia na nado. Na me say you ma.
Honorable.
Dramani Mahama e den.
Honorable.
Me you.
Eyi MPP for say Papa Bawumia any MPP for ade no wo ma be kan ye we it is also wa dance bia fa de so betu dwa say de om de tudwa na debate be bio Anopai minister kasa.
Okay. Take away the no be a say who can maka. Who can maka. Yan yeti yan kata green book number 2 no. Asa me unka say. Unka just any money be Photoshop anya papa.
Oh, and yeah,
ono ne dia ba. Na ya dia den aba. Obi animu. Nya mabbo din na no. Dia no Photoshop so. Me minister for open say whatever divine initiative Asia I was in program so. Me tell say ni me dey want to be parliament na yen tro. Omo ka tell me say e dey beto say one yensuo e wo dan so yen tro. E bi na wa kaka bu ma beto no. Na e ka nsuo ene say let me ade bi na ko ka don da mani mama so dia. Ene afi na on ka say you.
Almost say projects bebre from 2012 to 2016 no. Na eye de Mahama Ampani Mills aye. Enti wonu ankasa no the all out is an achievement no. One famra me ehunu se the first time oyewe and na MBB so first time o maye we nti wo say debate no. Eye
that's it. Omo with the green book any you project ya kari na anka we de o so won de ba ye no. Ye ko so so na ya mark ni ye twem. Ni ya mark ni ye twem. Nti won kasa Sena mwa ya mlakakra. Uwa lejire uda upuvu. Ntinka nyapa out ako se binye no kwa no. Onti chom no muka jeza mudi ohane baye. Ena ya papa nya ta mo sabreso. Ne ya dia tu mudi ondo nya ndisi. Ya can't don zamani mahama 4 years. And not 4 years. And what am yeka? We have been someone say yes in Kuma Bresu waiting January. 120 billion debt no. Yanya de yisu wo mo ya di ye no. Once 140 billion in 3.5 years no. What we tell you, that's where the question lies. That's where the question lies. But not to make some metric, Baumia, or this cow man anymore. Sabi, when you support your mobosia. Not only you say, you obey your Sienano, wouldn't see me and Sunny Fark or Bobosia 140 billion.
But say,
this will be John Zamani. I've just 120 billion, wouldn't see me and Sunny Fark. Yes, you can also railway talk on what to me. I'm a pay mama. Secure funding everything for the railway system eco of anything in Pakadai. The car interchange a war of anything, Pocas interchange. Don't the money mama secure funding, but the Milamte was secure funding into the another year. Or the one also for him in Yano. And don't the money in dear and not concerning that thing so what mama say you man on to go near Shiponka. How can I shake? Young Papa Mills, Abra Oba N1. Who say your mom penny John Ejekum Kufuor na secure funding and over the year Jumano and into other commission he invited the former president. That is the manner and the what of a good statesman. But another so inviting Mahama and come inviting because the seminar trade the woman to be airport no. Also to Indiano because the Indiano president the money in the battle. Confirm say university hospital no any be behind you obiara ya safa no fi atokwa o maybe say yajuma don mahama yeni into Indiano. This what is going on. Anything for them to may put it on record. Me say Derek Ohene Etifu Bekwe. Me say you for John Dramani Mahama and Tranchen. Na me call president na me na adu.
Na ayi ma musade we na no ayi town hall meeting na His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no ebeto odwa de bokrata and ba the following day say interchange ya moye no circle de mfrem Dubai no se woka interchange opokuase obeche bi lamte tamale ene tamade ni bomu a tabani mi ansan wa 189 million by circle de nkwan 180 million. What say it calls for questioning.
Babare
Honorable
me that me you want to pay.
Oh
Me you it says and you be say me, even as a former DC, procurement audit is one of the things that if you follow due process, you can easily unravel whatever mysteries I want.
Okay,
Not let alone a national project. Omo kaka swan semono. Nina material those days. So mo say procurement omo ya na me board ni o say bibi. Nina material ba kwa me. Na no ba mu fanse yan ni yo nti mu kan no yantime yia no antimi anya hwe mo ma ba mu you have all the documents, you have all the payments, you have everything. Not as a banya my pretty for change. I have to study change now. Amamu. Not say more Korean buying. No one to me and prosecute investigate any of those instances. Who can want them there? Then this government is equally very corrupt because all say, oh yes, if you're not corrupt and you're a government and you know corruption before you came to power, and that corrupt exercise still exists, and you cannot investigate, I said, throw a wooka. When it comes to procurement, so you could see down what the Chemua. Never one person will sit down as a secretary. Check as one interchange. Then interchange to roadside count and the hospital and shame and the Niama facility. They should come out and bring all those things. What they do to Castle for him say, acquire what Castle, it was part of the interchange cost. Castle for him say, you may give a brown yen and a movie. Then Yamuya Quatrequai. Yay, we are throwing them that challenge. Say, some for say, any of those projects were inflated. And you know what the Matami Dubai? Shraj anyo. BNI anyo. Attorney General, you want to day. They are corrupt. That is why. Because when you say, no more canoe, and throw with the fear Ghana for winning now. Santon of some by mining baby. Napa to Wakoso. Or may move ya. PBS. Wako di musika, what's the word Jumano? I come with the best in the Umbu Kuntan and Aru. And to my dear Woody ya. And can marry. Yan so young and now I'm going to a mining come say James and our town. A man for him say Cocoa for them, Cocoa region. Can it before the coming of the democracy, no? Eastern regional Cocoa tea farmer. Not me crum, Abamuko, what opinion wako, the never the case. Me crum Cocoa for him say, John Dramani Mahama Oro. The brown open say fertilizers. And go Cocoa. Mopemutoma. But fertilizer na yet also a part of the cocoa produce I have to Amanano and a little fertilizer. Motomo. Ghana Ponimu. Petrol price no Ghana Ponimu. Dollar any city rate no. Ghana Ponimu will be a do. And today you know Macatcha Ghana. I would say one man more. A man in cotton now quite a few Euda Apuano. People know it. So the government must stop it. How about the baby? Now, and 20 years and yet to make you. Send your Apple at him and your Jumano. My true intellect, these are the national projects that I had. And when it comes to the assembly, my Mabubo schools put on the actual. It should bring up the debate. If for the time they make the moon diary of anything, John Dramani Mahama and Nado, it should be on here the Quay versus Nanado. Say, Ufi Nanado Krumua. Now we come Krumu. Now, Quadru. Nanka for the Chiponiba, Koneka, Tumchi, Baconedia Bueno. Never Jenny, my Papa John Dramani Mahama.
Madas,
anything. You almost say an inflated cost where they are in government. They have all the documents. What are they doing by now? They are giving a 4 years mandate. Ghana phone transit. No more fine. Tron. No more tap could you. No, it will not happen. Then you have a throw actually about what I think for say. One candidate Adumna or Chakwine. Or the woman that for any offense saying one party for an Indian. Never dead, you were to say, I bind the in our contract in Mayano. You're not going to 2020 election 7 December. You never stop going to make you.
Madas Adope.
That's
Honorable Derek Sifo, and the NHA 101.7. So in the
Okay, FM 101.7.